Okay, so making a stand quick version. Flip it around back. Create sketch. Click the back of the model. P for project. Click. Okay. You need a buffer. O for offset. 0.1 for the buffer. Now you're going to want to make another offset. I do them 5 millimeters. Find the center of the model. Come down. I'll go another 5 millimeters. We'll make it 100 millimeters wide, so 50 on each side. Enter. L for line. Come straight up. We'll mirror this one over since it's a symmetrical model. Click the objects we want to mirror. Mirror line right here. Okay. Finish. Now we can click, hold shift, click. E for extrude, minus 40. And you have your stand. New body, okay. And there you go. We'll have the full version of the video to run across all three of these models and shapes and different scenarios you might run into on the website. Go to the website for the full video.